Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by ensuring power and a steady connection. This prevents interruptions during restore. Next, back up critical folders to an external drive or cloud so you won't lose personal data. Once done, verify your Windows activation. If your license is tied to a Microsoft account, you can skip entering a key. Otherwise, have your product key ready. Make sure the external media is accessible and contains the files you expect before moving to the next step. Now you perform the restore using recovery options. Go to Settings, Update and Security, then Recovery. Select Reset this PC for a full reinstall or advanced startup for system image use. Choose whether to keep your files or remove everything. Decide between cloud download or local reinstall. Cloud fetches the latest build, local is faster. Follow on-screen prompts to select drives and remove apps. Once confirmed, the PC will restart and begin reinstallation. Be patient, as this can take substantial time. Finish by signing into your Microsoft account and letting Windows Update fetch drivers and security patches. Then reinstall essential apps and restore your backed up files. Make sure Windows shows as activated in Settings, Update and Security Activation. If not, sign in or enter your key. If the restore fails or the system won't boot, boot into safe mode and run DISM and SFC to repair system files, or use the recovery media to perform a clean reinstall. That troubleshooting step fixes most persistent problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.